finally filming something today also on the 9th of May 2025. It is Suolaketie Seltingsvägen 5.
Yeah.
It's here in Gammelbacka. It's one of the suburbs of Porvoo, Finland. And it was built in 1975 by ValmetSchlieren. The simple space 4343, modernized in 2004 with Kone Delta fixtures. But it was also necessary because it was a VS solution.
Yeah.
Best case for the 20 grams. We had a code for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has the original door subs. But no, it's not VS. It has been Kone original.
Why?
I'm sorry, but my sorry, it's of course, yeah. Sorry, but from inside, totally fine.
Yeah.
It's outside the fact that it's with the
Yeah.
pea soup color. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's listen to the chime. It's working.
Yeah.
We can take a second ride on it.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I was so confused.
Yeah.
Well, this position is a bit different also.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be here.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspectant, maintained by Kone.
Thanks. But unfortunately somebody has scratched the indicator.
Yeah.
Maybe the tape is not in use.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks so much.
That's